Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And it's actually good morning based on your region. For me, it's good morning. For someone else, it might be good night. But yeah, let's just get right into it. Right now, we are still in our Bitcoin trade. We are over 68% profit. Not 68%. I think it's more like 55% profit now. And looks like Bitcoin is forming a little bit of a consolidation right now. Potentially before a big move that could come. And yeah, let's just make it a white line. And this is something that could be playing out at the moment. It looks like we almost hit this resistance. It's possible it's a few, a few pixels off. So not to worry about anything. We could obviously go look on the hourly. Yeah, no, this is very accurate. It looks like someone, there was some selling pressure right before we hit resistance, and now we are in a miniature pattern. And a break up from here would probably bring us to around, let's take a look. Breakout from this level would probably bring us to 42,700, a little bit higher than the previous high. And a breakdown would probably bring us back down to 38,800, at which point, oops. At which point, sorry, I was just getting some, getting the bars there. At which point, our position would be stopped out in profit as we raised our stop loss to 38,900. So now it's impossible for us to lose on this trade, unless there's a massive market sell order and orders don't start getting filled. Then my stop loss is going to be filled at a lower level. But I'm not worried about that. That shouldn't be no problem at all. Right now, we could also look at market cipher on the shorter time frames. On the 1 hour, it's looking like we are bullish actually. Well, last time I looked at this, we were a little bearish like this candle right here, and right now looking like we're pretty bullish. We got a 16 on the DBSI and a -5 for the bears. And yeah, it's looking, all in all, it's looking pretty good, guys. Not too worried. I'm expecting a breakout anytime now. And stay tuned for some more updates. And something I want to talk about as well, that I saw that Carl from the Moon was talking about, is that the hash ribbons are crossing soon. I've been talking about this for months already, about the hash ribbons being a leading indicator about when to buy. So you heard it here first. I'm just kidding. But yeah, basically the hash ribbons, when they cross and they indicate a buy signal, there historically has been a very strong run up in price, as we can see right here. The buy signal hit, and then we went up 240%. The buy signal hit here, we went up 39%, and another one 50%, 51%, 309%. So just amazing gains overall when these hash ribbons cross. And technically, the price does not have to go up for the hash ribbons to cross. The price could come back down, and you can see the price was coming down, and the hash ribbons were getting closer and closer and closer to crossing. So this would be, amazing if they cross and it indicates a buy signal, as this would be a huge area of confluence where we would break out and potentially have a buy signal come in, and then we have a massive run up in the price, which could technically bring us back to the $70,000 levels and even higher. Because if that would break the all-time high, which was set at 65. I believe it was set at, our all-time high was 64,895. So we almost reached 65,000. But if we have a breakout from here, I really think we could have massive gains coming, at which point I would open a very large position to bring the challenge account to new profits, because we definitely want to get the challenge account momentum going. Maybe utilize a little more leverage, which is what I did at the beginning with the $100, because I had so little capital to play with. But I feel like right now, with the amount of capital I'm playing with, it's I've reduced my trade sizes and the leverage just to be safe, and according to proper risk management. You don't want to use too much of your account. And we could see the other day I made a bad trade, right? And we definitely took a big chunk of our portfolio out. And then once we played it safe, we played it right, we used a good leverage, we entered a trade, we made some really good gains, and we took some profits already. and rightfully so, because it did come down to test this as support, and now we're back into this green support slash resistance box. So yeah, overall looking really bullish. On the daily time frame, Bitcoin's looking very bullish as well. Got a 15 and a -5, so I'm expecting some upside. Looks like we're bouncing off these EMA ribbons and we're gonna go back up. And weekly time frame, I'm very bullish as well. It's a 15 on this Bitcoin chart, and if you look at this Bitcoin chart right here, it's a 16. So depending on which chart you're looking at, I'm still bullish. And especially for Ethereum, why are we not talking about this? Ethereum had a massive run up in the price, absolutely blasting through support and resistance levels. Just went up straight to 2800, 2850, and then started trending back down. Looks like it's forming some sort of a bear flag at the moment. Sorry, not a bear flag, a bull flag, where it starts to consolidate down like this, and it could have a breakout at any moment. So keep that into account. Maybe we'll enter an Ethereum trade, who knows. I'm pretty bullish on Ethereum as well, especially since the hard fork just came in. So it looks like we could be dumping it down to these levels, possibly maybe the 20, 27, 20 levels, and then before we start going up. And a breakout from here could technically bring us, if we just look at the previous price like that, and we bring it up to here. If we break out from there, that would bring us to 2970, which is almost at 3000. But you know, I think we could easily reach 3000 and then just probably get a sell-off from there. But stay tuned for some more updates, guys. If you haven't already, definitely join the Discord. The Discord's free. I don't charge anyone for it. I give my real data, real life trades all the time, and the moderators are really good at managing the Discord when I'm not there, when I'm at work. And yeah, thank you for the support, everyone. We're at 2,400 subscribers now. Let's see if we can get to 2,500, a quarter of the way to 10,000, and then I'm probably going to do a live stream this Sunday. If we can get to 2,500 subscribers, and go like my community post if you want me to do the live stream on Sunday. It's going to be pretty fun. So yeah, if you guys want the live stream, go like the community post in my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. You have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades, and I love you guys. Peace.